everyone! I just woke up guys and this is my food for today. Ayan. We have a food already guys. Ayan, ito na yung aking food guys. Breakfast and also lunch. Ayan. A fried rice with corned beef and diles guys. A diles in Tagalog. Ayan. A fried fish. Ayan. Ang sarap ng ating guys, ng ating fried rice. It's a Java rice. Ayan, para tayong kumain sa resto. Ang sarap. Ayan. Ayan guys, a simple recipe. Ating corned beef. Ayan. Mga food natin today. I have also fruits here, a pakwan, and a kiwi. Ganun sarap. Diles. So yummy. Hi, let's eat. Let's eat. So yummy, the fried rice. The fried rice is so yummy, guys. Fried rice with malunggay. Ay, napakasustansya nito, guys. Meron siyang malunggay. Ayan, and my drink for today is warm water with lemon, guys, because I have cough now, a little cough, so I drink this every day. Warm water with lemon. Ayan. So yummy. Ang sarap ng ating fried rice, guys. Para akong kumain sa resto, guys. Ayan. Kahit simpleng ulam lang, masarap na. Ayan, ganito lang, guys. Sapat na. Ganito lang, masaya na ako, guys. Diles. One of my favorite. Let's eat. Fruits, guys. Pakwan. Tamis yun, guys. Very delicious. Sarap. So yummy. I'm finished eating my breakfast, guys. A little small amount of rice and a little